Hello everyone. Hi. Hi. It's a nice presentation by CY. And then I'm sorry to Ivana that we are live during the same time. So Ivana, if you are watching right now, really sorry about it. Like we should change and it's sometimes, right, but really sorry about that. Okay, so everybody please share this video out, okay, maybe to on the FB or anything, so you can click on the link and then you can share it out, like you can click the link down below. So if you are using uh, this any phone, so there's a share button, okay, down below here. Okay, you can just click it and then you copy that link, okay, or copy it, or you can just always post it out and send it to your friends. Okay, you can post it out and then send it to your friends so that they can watch together with you and then they can improve and learn together with you. Okay, this is a good time right now. Okay, everything is are you ready? All your bullets or all your time on everything to go into the market. Okay, I'll show you how is the easiest way. Okay, maybe you do not know how Fibonacci works, um, but I can really like show you how is the easiest way. Okay, for me, we don't need all like fancy or any charting, and then all too many technical things that makes everybody very messy about it. So we just need something as a guideline. Okay, as a guideline. Okay, we just need a guideline. Okay, OBS disconnected. So is everything still okay? Is everything still okay? Okay, reconnected successfully. Okay, so please share it out. Okay, share it out to all your friends. Okay, and all your page and all the Facebook pages or on the Telegram as well. Okay, so if you are here, please tap a hi and then or hi or whatever, just to let me know. Okay, on the face on the Huobi app, and then to let me know that you are here watching, and then so that I can know that I'm talking to actually somebody is listening. Okay, so if you are here, please give me a hi and then a thumbs up, or you can give me all the likes and loves you have on the right button of the this one. Okay, the right button, you can click it and then give as much love to me. Okay. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, if you're here, if you just came in, you can just join us. Please say hello and then hi to all. Okay, so I introduce myself. I may be somebody might do not know me. Okay, I have been trading for 20 years. Okay, I started off with stocks. Okay, I'm from Malaysia. Okay, I started off with stocks when I was really young, but I failed miserably. How do you spell that? Miserably. Okay, something like that. Okay, I failed and then I learned and then I stood up and then I went into futures, and then I went into US stock market, and then I went into US commodity market, indices market. Then I went into options market. Okay, that is where I learned a lot of things uh, uh, about all the charting indicators and how to look at the trend, something like that. Okay, so after 20 years, it's like sometime you look at a chart, it's like an intuition that uh, when you need to enter and then when you need to exit. So it's like an intuition. When you look into the chart, you know, you just have the feeling that it's going to go up or it's going to go down, and then how it's going to be, and then what's going to do. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about some theory that you might not have heard before. Okay, this theory you cannot find it on any Google. Okay, I'm not sure if you can find it, but I did try to search about it. It's not there. Okay, it's something like Fibonacci. Okay, it's something like Fibonacci, but it's easier to understand. Okay, come on guys, if you want to know this secret that is not even reachable in Google, please give me a thumbs up and then give me a 666 on the comment chat box below. So let me know that you would like to know it, so that I can get more of this kind of my own secret indicator or secret way of having to know that the trend is there, having to know that something, it will sometime happen, something at somewhere. Okay, so if you like this kind of indicator, please do give me a 666. Okay, do give me a 666. So Ivana, if you are watching, really, I'm really sorry. Okay, we are having the same live in the same time, so I will look into it. So next time I will try to accommodate it and change the time, so that we all have our audiences, that because Ivana has a lot to learn as well. I have a lot to learn from Ivana as well. So if Ivana is here, I'm sorry about that, but if you're watching the replay, do accept my apology. Okay, thanks for 什么语言? Okay, I'm speaking English right now. Okay, 英文. Okay, so if you cannot understand, you can always translate it. Okay. Hi, hi, hi. Okay, hi everybody. 来，不好意思，如果你听不懂的话，我们今天是在这个是讲英文的哈，英文的，好不好？Okay, come on. Okay, let's start. Okay, today I want to teach you. Okay, something. It's not teaching. It's like sharing. It's more to sharing. Okay, this is I use it. Okay, okay, it's something about like Fibonacci, but Fibonacci is so much harder to understand. It's like 38.2, 62.8, right? Something like that. So it's not easy to understand, but you can have these charting tools on the indicator tools. No, you can pinpoint out the exact location of that. But one thing is that it's not everybody knows how to use it. Okay, because you really need somebody to teach you to know it. But sometimes when you look into a price, it's like you have to use this indicator to measure this, measure that. For me, it's like having a ruler and then to measure that. That's what I did 20 years back. I don't want you to do that anymore. It looks like a noob. Okay, it looks like noob. So previously I really do this. Okay, on the chart, this and that. But that's 20 years back. So there's less charting tools previously, and then I was in Malaysian stocks, and then Malaysian stock trading view do not have so much Malaysian stocks data there. Okay, so we can only do with our local chart, and then there is not a lot of things, not a lot of indicators, so it really makes so much hectic and hassle for us. So it developed a very easier way to have a glimpse, and then you know what's gonna happen. Okay, you like to learn? Key in 666, key in 666. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you something about it. Okay, this is what I call it a half theory. Okay, it's like half theory. Okay, I think in this in this world, do you like something that is half price? It's like a buy one free one. It's everything is like even this a ruler. Okay, even a phone. Would you like to purchase it at half price? Okay, so everybody loves 50% discount. Okay, so forget about the 38.2. Okay, and then the 62.8. Okay, it's not to forget about it. If you know it, if you already know the Fibonacci, that's great. Okay, if you still do not know Fibonacci, and then you don't really understand Fibonacci retrenchment and everything about that, don't you can learn it, but it's easier way to learn this one. Okay, so during my time, there is no Fibonacci retrenchment tools to measure all the charts. So we have to use our own calculator. Okay, this is the best tools 20 years back. Okay, this is the calculator that we're going to calculate where is going to be the support for the next support. Okay, so if you like to know, like 666, come on, key in down. If enough 666, I'll start. If there's enough 666, I will start. Okay, Great, great, great. Okay, good. Okay, I'll start now. Okay, this is what I found out. Where when the price hits the top and then it retraces, usually 50% is where it is a strong support. Okay, this is 50% retracement. Okay, you can find it with this tool as well, but it's easier if you when you look into the chart. Okay, if you do not have you do not know how to use Fibonacci and everything, so it's easy. You can just divide the figure into two. So for example, if a token is currently high at 1000, $1,000, and then currently it's trading at 800. Okay, what time is a good time to purchase? What time is a good time to buy the token? It's like 500, so it's like 50% discount. So everybody love discounts, right? So it's like 50% discount. Okay, so that is how it's going to be. It's very easy. Okay, it's like when you listen to me, it's like this Archie is like bullshitting, you know. Now this is so stupid that I'm not quite sure why I'm listening to it right now. But before that, I would like you to share some more. Okay, share it out. Okay, this is just the first part of the theory. It's called half theory. Okay, you cannot get it online. Okay, and then the second part where the Fibonacci turns into 62.8. So it is where it's easier to calculate. It's called half. Okay, it's half and half. It's like the milk, it's like the cream, half and half. So it's like half and half theory on trading. So it's easy. So if the share or the price of the token caps at or tops at 1000, so half is like 500, and then you divide it into half again, so it's like 250. So at this 75% discount area, retrace area, is somewhere near to actually near to 62.8, somewhere near. Just that it's easier to calculate this way with just your mind or just a phone without like even touching on the computer. You can know roughly where you're going to be, but it's not that precise. Okay, I have to tell you, it's not that precise. It has like 5 to 10% tolerance. Okay, so you can kill higher a bit, or maybe you can kill somewhere there. Okay, or even lower. Okay, so there's another thing. Where do you do the stop losses? Okay, stop losses is half, half, half. So it's three halves. So it's like half, half, half theory is going to be your stop loss going to be. So you imagine that when you purchase at the price of 1000, and then it fell down to 250, is where you enter it. Okay, you buy it, and then your exit will be 125. Okay, please, before you enter any trade, okay, this is my 20-year advice. Please make sure you have, before you enter, make sure you know when to exit, especially stop losses. If you do not know when to exit with profit, it's fine, but still you need, the first thing you need to know is when to exit during a stop loss. Okay, good enough? Okay, everybody, do you like it? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go into a Bitcoin buying zone with this half theory. Okay, if you like it, let's do it right now. If you like what I'm telling, okay, just give me another 666, and then we can share this video out to your friends, even on the Telegram chat book, Telegram, and then, or maybe Facebook, or even your Discord chat. Okay, how do you share it? Just click this share button here. Okay, and then tap a lot of likes for me, so that I feel love, right? Everybody likes to feel loved. So it's the same thing. I'm lack of it, so please give me a lot more. Okay, so let's go into the chart. Okay, let's go into the chart. Okay, let's go here. This is let me see. Okay, this is the chart of BTC. Okay, this is the chart of BTC. Okay, so let's backdate it. Okay, so we'll do a 5-year backtest on it. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll pull this back. Okay, this is, look at this. This is where it's a 2017. So let's do some more further. Okay, let's do something like 2014 where Bitcoin just started. Okay, where Bitcoin just started in the 2013. Okay, look at this chart here. Okay, on 8th of April 2013, the price topped. Okay, Bitcoin topped high at 259 and 34, and then it retraces. Okay, 259.34 you divide into 2, so it's 129.60 more or less. That's a very strong support there. So it retraced back down to, let me see, low. Okay, it retraces after the high, okay, to a solid where it's a 70 plus. Okay, 76. Okay, 76, 67, sorry. So it's another half. It's somewhere there. It's somewhere there. So the retrace is like, for Bitcoin, the retrace is like half. Okay, half. Okay, so if you're gonna place this uh, uh this trade here, and then when are you going to exit? So it's another half. Okay, it's another half. So you divide into another half. The stop loss will be at 32. Okay, so you look at all other lows. Okay, the low is like 45 and then 49. There is nothing lower than 32. So if it hits for 32, it's like lunar, it's going nowhere. So you just exit it and then just don't do anything about it. Just don't think about it anymore. Okay, that is where it happened in the 2013. Okay, and then when the next bull market is like on the 25th of November. Okay, 25th of November. Okay, it went straight up to a height of 1163, 1163. Okay, without any Fibonacci tools, we divide it into 2 and divide into 2 again. So it will go somehow be supported at the level at 290. So let's look at this. Okay, this is around 300 level. Here it went down to 150. Okay, 150. So we divide into 2. So it's like 145. See, the lowest it went is like 150. It wouldn't hit your stop loss, but if it did, there's no hope for this. So if you entered at a 25 half theory, you will still gain after that. Okay, you got it at a 75% discount already. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, go to the next one. Okay, the next high, it only can use as high if it's like a small high, is like a higher high, or the first higher high. You cannot use that. You cannot, the retracement wouldn't be exact, wouldn't be correct. So for this time, I'll tell you how. Okay, for this one is the new high of 19666. Okay, so it's 19666. Okay, we'll just estimate where it's going to stop. So we divide into 2. So it's like it might be going to 9833. So let's see. Okay, yeah, it did go another downwards movement. So divide into 2. So it's 4900. So you're going to kill at like 4900. Okay, so you will feel here, you're gonna feel here. So divide into 2 is your stop loss is at 2458. So it never went there. Okay, it never went there. Okay, so let's go to another one. You can use this as well if it's a far apart, like a year or 2. Okay, but it's not that accurate. This is the high, and then this is not the highest high. So if you're using this, okay, 14,000, okay, you still use it as a guideline. You divide into 2, it's like 7,000. Okay, it's like 7,000. So it's somewhere here. So it's still quite a nice support. Look at that. This is a very nice support here, 7,000. See, it's a very, very nice support. Okay, so let's get to the next high. Okay, the next high is at 64,895. Okay, give it a half, so it's like at 32. Okay, so 32 around this area, if you bought it here, it's going to be a great, you're going to be so happy about it. Okay, you're going to be so happy about it, you almost got the low. Okay, so this is how for these 20 years is the easiest way to look into it is like that. It's so easy. So it's like when we are glancing through all those coins, or previously 20 years ago when I was looking into stocks, everybody is looking into discount, or some is FOMOing going in, but we are looking for discounts. Okay, if you think that this is a great uh, this is a great thing to do, okay, give me an 888. Okay, do you think this strategy is good? Give me an 888. Okay, you can do it this, you can use this in a lot of instrument. You can use this in a lot of even charts, or even coins, even stocks, and even everything. You can use it for that. Okay, we go to the next high. The next high is 669,000. So 69,000 is the next high. Divide into two. Okay, the major support is like 34k. So it's here. Look at that, everything bounces here. See, everything just retrace there. Then there's another half. Let's do it another half. Okay guys, this is the next half. It's going to go to, okay, so we are almost there. Okay, we are almost there. So this is the next half, is gonna go somewhere to my guessing is somewhere around 18,000. So 18,000, and then they will have a major support there. Okay, 18,000, but I'm queuing actually from 19. I'm queuing at 19,000. So today this live, I have to tell everybody about this news, because I think the times is almost there. Like 20k is a good time to buy. Okay, good time to buy, but do not buy all. Okay, do not buy all. This strategy gives you the ability and like an intuition into the price support level in just a glimpse. Okay, in just a glimpse. So you can count by your heart like 69, almost like 70k. So the support will be always like 35. So when your friends ask you where is going to be the support of 35, so easy, it's 35. Where's the next support going to be? It's going to be 19, 18, somewhere there, right? So look at this, look at this. This is the previous high at 19,666. Okay, 19,666. Okay, so this is going to be a good support as well. Okay, so I actually am queuing to buy at 19,000. So this is actually a guess, but I'm not entering a lot of my capital during this time. So I'll be queuing at 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, but this percentage of my the total queue is not up to 10% of my capital. It's just it's just like a FOMO thing. It's like fear of missing out. Everybody likes to guess the bottom, and then everybody likes to guess the top, right? I bet you like it too, but I like it too. But one thing is that I trade with the indicator, but this indicator is just a guideline of where the support and then where it might gonna be. It's not 100% accurate, but it's just for your intuition. Then when you purchased it, if I buy it at 19 and then it really bounce off of 19, it's like you will get to tell the story for the rest of your life when Bitcoin goes to the moon, and then you can tell everybody, I got in on 2022 at the very bottom at 19,000. Wow, that story you're gonna tell it for the rest of your life, and then you can go to tell it to your grandson, and maybe if you're lucky, you can get it to the grandson as well. Right? Do you like that? Do you like that? Okay, I like it. I like it. If you don't like it, I'm not quite sure how it's gonna be, but I like it a lot. Okay, so if you like this strategy, if you like this intuition that I passed to you, you cannot unlearn it anymore. So let's name it a half theory. How about that? Okay, you cannot find it in Google. Okay, it's just something that I okay, there's something that is just an intuition, so you cannot find it in Google, but I'll call it half theory, or it's like half. Okay, there's the theory thing isn't very nice as anyway, so we can call it like half. Do you agree with half? This is the strategy that we call it a half, and then once I teach it to you, you are not going to unlearn it. Okay, this is like a snap of a finger, and then it's already yours. Okay, it's already yours, so do keep it. Okay, you can use it anytime. When you look into a chart, you will very clearly see where the support is. Even though it haven't touched it, you will know where it's gonna support. Okay, do you record this, sir? I joined late. Yes, I record it, and then I will post it on my YouTube channel. So you can join my YouTube channel as well. I just started new. So I hope everybody can follow my YouTube channel. I'm not quite sure what my channel's name is. Anyway, I just started it, but it's Archie something. It's like Archie Crypto Info, something like that. So you can join my Facebook channel as well after I share it out, and then I'll post it there. I'll post it on my FB. Okay, I just registered an FB group so that every move I make, I'll post it there so that everybody can learn together. So I didn't put it as my channel. I put it as Archie. Archie is my name. Crypt info exchange. So everybody can exchange info there. But if you're doing something or harassing others, I'm gonna kick your ass. Okay. Now let's look into somebody else's question. Before that, I'll just put up I'll just put up my FB QR code and my Telegram QR code so that you can join my group. Okay, this one is my Telegram, and then the other one is my Facebook. I am more lively in Facebook, so it's easier. So everything I'll copy paste to Telegram, but if you can join, please do scan the QR code and then join my FB. Okay, interesting, bro. Thank you very much. Hello, I can't understand you, mate. Okay, you can watch it again. So this is called a half. Okay, if I not trade for 1 year, my asset still safe, sir. Yes, if you do keep it safe, yes, your asset is still safe. Okay, we support. Thank you very much for your support. Okay, may I ask, sir, if my asset not showing the numbers, sir? I am from the referral program GTI. Oh, that's a long time ago. Okay, give me half a Bitcoin. Yes, you can earn it. You can earn it. It's easy. You can earn it. It's easy right now. What is the buying zone of BTC? So hey, everybody, those who listen to me, what is the buying zone? Come on, key it in the chat box. What's the buying zone? Buying zone right now. Come on, key into the chat box and tell everybody what is the buying zone now. Just now I showed the figure to you. I showed the number to you. Please key it into the chat box so that you remember where exactly, roughly is the buying zone. Come on, guys. Okay, there's Nora C. Deck verse that says what is the buying zone of BTC. Okay, so but make sure that that is just a guideline. It's not the exact thing. Okay, it's not the exact bigger. Okay, yeah, somebody is saying like 20k, 19k, 12 to 20k. Okay, everybody is right. So at the somewhere there, the exact number will be around, let's do the maths again. Okay, just in case you forgot. So it's like 69,000 divided into 2 is like half, and then another half, so it's like 17,250. But you can add in a 10% plus and minus, so it adds up to 19,000. Okay, so I'll calculate 19,000. So this one is not an indicator. Okay, I'll teach you indicator. Do I have time right now? Do you want to learn about the indicator that I taught previously, but if you didn't attend the, if you didn't watch the video, so I'm going to teach you right now. And then for all the students I have out there, okay, I'm going to have you a tuition class like right now. So 30 minutes, you get 20 years of my knowledge on the half strategy. Okay, that is just a click. Okay, you cannot unlearn it. So if you like that strategy, do give me a lot of thumbs up, and then do share it with your friends. This intuition is like pass it to you. Okay, this kung fu is already with you. Okay, may the force be with you. Okay, so now we're gonna go for the tuition. Okay, do join my Telegram or Facebook. Okay, so previously I did give it a post, so let me see where's my post. Okay, let me see where's my post. Okay, yeah, let's see here. Okay, this is a post that I post on June 5th. Okay, June 5th. Okay, I'm selling off all BTC on hand. Okay, it's a June 5th. Let me see, there's somebody who texted me. Okay, so I'll just shut it down. Okay, it's on June 5th at 8:30 Singapore time. 8:30 a.m. Singapore time. Let's look into, okay, this is what I tweet on FB. Okay, I post. Okay, tweet is on Twitter, like post on FB. So you can always join my FB group, so that everything I do, I post it out. Okay, I do it for you, I post it for you. Okay, so let's go to the chart. So remember the date, 5th of June. Okay, 5th of June. So I'm gonna go back to the chart. Okay, I'm go back to the chart. Okay, so let's go 5th of June. June, 5th of June. Okay, so go to, okay, so we go to a daily chart. Okay, 5th of June. Okay, 5th of June. So it's somewhere here. Okay, let's pull the chart up a bit. Okay, on 5th of June, I tweeted that I'm selling all my Bitcoin for stable coins. Okay, then this is how I got away on Luna as well. So I sold Luna at $85, and then I short it. Okay, it's the same thing today. I sold off all my Bitcoin, and then I shorted Bitcoin on the same day itself. Okay, for those who do not know what the indicator we should be looking into, and then if you are not my student before, and then if you would like to be my student as well, do join my FB group. And then if you want to be my student, or if you already my student, you already know my strategy. Okay, why I chose to sell all my BTC there. Who's online, and who is the first to know me? Who is the first person to know me right now? Okay, if you just knew me, okay, I'm gonna teach you in, like, I still have like 27 minutes. I'm gonna teach you. Please send the detail of your link where we can get your recording live. Okay, so I'm gonna teach today. Okay, don't leave if you're still watching. Okay, you're gonna miss this damn good technical analysis that I built up for these 20 years. Okay, so the first thing to do is to have two EMAs on the line. Okay, the first EMA, okay, let's set it okay, into a 9. Okay, we can do 10 as well, it's okay. So we do 10 and 20 EMA. Okay, so then let's go back in time. So how we're going to use that? Okay, how we're going to use that strategy? Okay, I'm going to teach right now again. So for how many students of mine here? If you are already student of mine, please no, who is not my student? Okay, key in a number 1. Okay, raise up your hand and key in number 1 if you're not my student, or maybe you just knew me today. Okay, key in number 1 so that I know where should I start. Okay, okay, let's make it a date today. Okay, there's one. Okay, there's a few. Okay, a few. Okay, there's new. So I'm going to teach you this strategy that you won't. Is very easy, and then is very hard to unlearn as well. Okay, so I'm going to hide all the indicators right now. So you can use trading view, and then on the daily chart. Okay, you key in indicators, and then you put in EMA. Okay, press 2 times because we need 2 EMA lines. Okay, here we have EMM 9. Okay, so we need another one, EMA. So the first one is exponential moving average, so we got 2. Okay, so you can edit one. Okay, we have 2 lines, we edit one to 19. Okay, length is 19. Okay, 9 and 19. Okay, and then we can edit one as a red one, the 19 as a red. Okay, 19 as a red, so that it's easier for you to look into. Okay, easier for you to look into, so that you look at 2 lines there. Okay, so okay, so let's back that. Okay, let's back that. Wow, there's so many new students that do not know me around here. Okay, I'm going to teach you something today. Okay, I'm going to make you full. Okay, I make your pocket full. I'm not making your head full of knowledge today. Okay, so keep watching, and if you like my teaching, do join my FB channel and then give me a lot of thumbs up. So let's back that to maybe 2 years ago. Okay, 2 years ago. So let's go to 2020. Okay, let's go. Okay, here. Okay, I'll teach you something. Okay, when you have this kind of this EMS set. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have to, this line actually gives you the trend. Okay, this line actually gives you the trend of how things gonna happen. Okay, for example, okay, look at that. When the candlestick cross both lines and then lift off, or maybe separated or untouching, this not touching the line here like this. Okay, it's not touching the line. Okay, is considered a downtrend. Okay, and then we will buy the next day. With this one, when it's downtrend, we're going to sell the next day. Okay, we're going to sell the next day. So we imagine that it's 26th of May where the market is going downwards. Okay, so here we're going to buy. We're going to buy it here on spot. Okay, spot, not futures, spot. Okay, so where we're going to exit is actually here. Okay, where we buy here, where we sell here. Okay, and then here we're going to buy it. Okay, anything that we have on hand we're going to sell here, and then here when it's go uptrend, you see it cross over the both lines, and then there's one lift off. I don't care if it's a red candle or green candle, so we're going to buy the next day. So we're going to buy it here. Okay, so for exit we're going to go for a downtrend. So downtrend is like something like this, the cross, and then this candle is still touching the line. Okay, let me see, it's still touching the line, both line. So this candle doesn't touch the line, so we're going to sell here. So we bought it here. Okay, we say we bought it like middle of the candle. Okay, and then we're going to sell it here. So we make a loss of 2%. Okay, so market 2%. Okay, so imagine if your capital is 10,000 2 years ago, so now you are 2% less. Okay, let's do the exact maths. It's like 1.96%. So you will have 9608. Okay, here. So we're not going to do anything anymore. So until there's another lift off. So here, see, there's a lift off. Okay, we buy no matter what. We just follow the rules. We just follow the rules. So here is a buy signal that we're going to buy this day. So there's a cross, there is a lift off, and then we're going to buy this day. Okay, we're going to buy here. So even though it's a red candle and then a crossover, so if in the whole morning you see a crossover, then you don't have to buy lah. But for me, I just follow the rules. Okay, I follow the rules. I'll buy here. Okay, I will buy here, and then the next day, shit, it's a loss. Okay, so I'll sell it here. Okay, so it's another 2.95% lost. Okay, then I'll wait for another chance where this is a chance. Okay, so this is a lift off, so I'll buy this day. Okay, I'll buy on 24th of July. I'll buy this day. Okay, I'll buy this day here. I'll buy here. Okay, so then let's see how it goes. See, it goes straight up, and then we're looking for the exit area. Okay, we're going to go for the exit area here. Okay, here is a lift off to below line, the red line, and then here we're going to sell it this day. Okay, so this is the day we're going to sell. So we buy here, we sell here. Okay, congratulations, you just made yourself 19.14%. 19.14%. So you will end up with 11,000 in your wallet. So let's wait for another buy signal. Here, let's look at it. See, if you don't sell it here, you will face this kind of cruise, very cruel market bash on you. Okay, so we'll just look for another buy signal. Here is a good buy signal, a lift off, and then here's a buy signal here. This is a buy signal, but unfortunately you have to exit very soon. So we go here, and then this is a sell signal here. So we make a loss of a 6 point or minus 5.65%. So we end up with 10k. So we'll just go for another one. So it's very easy per year. Okay, you just have a few trades. It's not a lot, but one thing is that you will get major return. Okay, for this, look at that. Okay, there's a lift off here. Okay, there's a lift off. How do you know when to buy or sell? I'm teaching you right now. Stay. Okay, stay. Okay, do this line. Okay, EMA 9, EMA 19. Okay, you have two lines. One is red, one is blue. Okay, change the color to one to red, another one to blue. And then once both candle crosses from the downwards to upwards, then one lift off. Okay, not touching any of the line, and then we buy the other day. Okay, so we buy here. Okay, so let's see if it goes. See, here it goes. Oh wow, look at that go. Okay, you don't even have to sell it. So here is a lift off. Okay, here the candle crosses both line, and then there's a lift off below. It's a red candle, and then we're gonna sell it this day. Okay, so this, you have to be very how do I tell you, you have to be very disciplined on this. So you're making 65.27% here, so end up with 17k right now. Okay, so we are looking for another chance to buy. So here's another chance to buy, a cross off and then this a lift off here. Okay, I'll zoom in. Okay, I'll zoom in here. Okay, I'll tell you again, once again. Okay, you get that two line. Okay, EMA 9 and 19, remember that. Okay, so here the crossover, the lift off by the next day. Okay, here. Okay, then it will go. Okay, for my strategy, this strategy win and lose ratio is almost the same. Okay, maybe you might win like 4 and loses 4, but the winning is big but the losers is small. Okay, so let's go and check this out. So this is another big win. Okay, here we're gonna exit here. When the crossover, one lift off, and then we're gonna do exit it here. Okay, so from this purchase, and then the exit is here, you're gaining another 68%. You already doubled your capital. Okay, just by doing a few trades. Okay, if you are you are very, you like to trade a lot, I'm gonna teach you another way to trade. Okay, that is for day trading. It's gonna be a level 2, level 3 of my classes. Okay, how much do I charge for the classes? Currently it's very cheap. I'm not going to tell you the price. Okay, so here we're going to buy again somewhere here. So we are already at January 31st. So here is another way to buy. Okay, here is another day to buy. Here a lift off, see the lift off, and then here we're going to buy here. Okay, so let's check. So another good return. So a lift off, we're going to sell here. Okay, be disciplined. Okay, don't care if it make losses or whatever. So this one is another 27.8%, 27.82%. So you will have 37k for the year. Such good one. Okay, so here is another buy. Here, look at that. A cross, a lift off, and then a buy. Here. Okay, it's actually easy. I'm back at texting everything right now. So if you want to know when to buy, just join my FB group. So it's easier. So I might have a private FB group very soon if my student gets a lot and then I get too much noises. I'll have a premium paid subscription page. So you can subscribe at maybe $19 a month, but you can get all the info I'm going to put it in. Okay, so here you get this. Okay, it's a buy. So but this is a losing trade. This is a losing trade. So you bought it here, and then I'm going to exit here. So the losses is like 4.34% minus 4.34%. Okay, then let's move on. Here's another buy signal here. Okay, this is a buy signal here. Then we're going to buy it there. Then we see if it goes. Okay, no, this is a losing trade. So we bought it here. Okay, we exit here. It's another 4.73%. 4.73% losses. Okay, so here, look at that. If we do not exit here, what's gonna happen? You will have a losses of major losses of like maybe 16 or 70%. But here you already sell everything off at just a very small losses. Okay, here it went back up here, so this is a good time to buy as well here. Then there's no sell because there's no lift off down below. So here let's check. So this is a very huge candle, so here we're going to sell it here. This is where you're going to exit. Okay, so this is quite a huge loss here. So it's like 13.38 minus 13.38%. Okay, this is a losses. But when you do not sell it, you will even lose further. Okay, so we are going to wait for another sign to buy. Here, a lift off. Okay, here, is it a buy or not? Come on everyone, let's get into the life. Okay, let me know the answer. Is it a buy here? Let me say, is it a buy here? If it's a yes, key in a yes. Is it a buy here? Okay, buy. Okay, good. Anybody else? Is it a buy? Here, is it a buy? Come on, key in. Buy, buy. Okay, very good, very good. Wow, you all is so fast. You are so fast, and then you are a very fast learner. So it's easy, huh? There's a lot of buy, buy. Yes, yes. Okay. There is no as well, but no. If there's a no, then you're gonna like have to go to my tuition again. Okay. So it's a buy here. Great. Let's see if it's a loss. Okay. Here, is it gonna be an exit? Here, yes or no? Exit here or what? Okay, exit. If it's an exit, say exit. Okay, it's an exit, say exit. Okay, here, if it's an exit, say exit. Please, how do you draw those lines? Okay, those lines you need to use sell. Sell, yes. Oh my goodness, you guys are good, man. Or is it my teaching is easier to understand? Come on, give me some feedback. Okay, do I have to improve my teaching again, or it's very clear and it's very easy to understand, and then it's very clear, very easy, and then you don't have to do anything about it. No, you can already make a lot of money. Yes. What is lift off? Okay, I'm not quite sure if my English, but do you have a better things to do? Do we need to wait candle second to close? Yes, because on the same day you will not know if it will have a pin down or not. So we have to make sure that the candle lifts off the two line, then confirm, then we're gonna sell the next day or buy the next day. Okay, so here we're gonna sell. Okay, we're gonna sell, and then voila, it's a loss of 11.9%, 11.93%. Okay, so let's move on. If the markets ask a bit of money from you, just give it to them because you're going to make more there. Okay, don't fuss about the small losses that you do. Just treat it as a tip to the market. Okay, let's move on. See, okay, let's see. So it's getting lower. So imagine if you didn't sell it here, how much losses you're going to make. Okay, okay, here. Okay, what are you going to do here? Buy or stay? Buy or stay? Sir, what indicator below RSI? Oh, RSI. Okay, don't look at that. RSI is where I use to do day trading. Okay, day or shorter term day trading. It's gonna be my other lecture, other classes that I'm gonna teach next time. Okay, next time. Okay, not today. So I have 8 minutes left. Okay, buy. My hard to earn. No, please, guys. I've been into the market 20 years. You have to change your mindset first. If you think it's hard to get it from the market, it's really hard. But you have to change your mindset that the money is easy. Then you will get the money easily. So it's a fact that we meet today, that I'm teaching you all my 20 years experience. You don't have to go and go over the walls and then over the river and even over the hills for this technique. I already teach it to you, and then it's easy for you to like just know it, and then it's easy. I tell you, it's just easy. Okay, don't make trading as a very complicated thing. It's not complicated at all. Okay, don't learn too many indicators. I've been learning more indicators in my life, and then I tell you, I'm using the easiest one. That is where it it really makes your life easier. Okay, is it a buy? Is it a buy? Yes. Okay, so far now buy or sell first. Okay, here buy. Okay, this is a buy. Okay, so look at that. There is no lift off and then no crosses for both lines, so there is no sell yet. So this is a good trade, my friend. Here, what we're gonna do? There's a crosses. Okay, what we're gonna do here? Come on, everybody. If you react to me more, I tell you, if you're just watching silently, the knowledge that you gain is like 20%. But if you react to me, you give likes, you give credits, you give accommodation, you give hospitality, and then you give yourself a smile, you give yourself a faith, and then you give some feedback, you will learn 60% from me in just this very minute. So I myself, just it's easy. You just need to be part of this life, and then you gain more than you ever know. So if you put if you watch this life with a heart of suspecting or refusing, it's better to watch your drama, or maybe your Korean drama is easier, or don't watch me. So if you come here, it's where I teach you something. So make sure you empty up your mind and then you learn. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward a bit, okay, because I only have 5 minutes left. Okay, 5 minutes left, so I'm gonna fast forward a bit. So let's go do this. Okay, here you make a whooping 32%, 32.64%. Okay, so now it's August, it's September. Okay, from the chart is September 29. It's like 1.5 year over, and then you make 160% with just 1.5 year with just a few trades. Is it easy? Is it easy? Come on, if it's easy, type easy. Okay, type easy. Okay, type easy. Okay, I'll tell you how, okay, why did I post out that I'm exiting Bitcoin, okay, in this last 5 minutes, okay? So here, so on the June the 5th, okay, here, okay, I'll zoom in, okay, here I bought, and then here I exited. So it's consistent with my Facebook post that here there's a losses of mere 3.61%. Okay, but if I didn't exited the trade here, look at that, guys. Is this an exit? Okay, is this an exit? Yes, Kin, yes. Come on, Kin, yes. I still have 3 minutes. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. If it's an exit, Kin, an exit. Okay, this is where I exited the trade. Okay, when I purchased here, I bought Bitcoin here, and then I sold everything off here. Okay, imagine if I didn't sell off everything. Imagine if I did not sell off, I will have made a 35% loss. 35%. Imagine you have 100k in your account, and then it's like left 65k. So if you do not have the strategy, it's really like you're messing with something. You're messing with your money only. So it's better for you to get a mentor, or maybe get somebody to follow, okay, so that you can learn. But one thing is that I want to let you know that the easier the indicator is, the easier you're gonna make money, and then you can make decision easily. Okay, so this is where I got out. Okay, so for those who is already my student, this is the refresher that I'm going to teach you. Okay, but no cross. Yes, it's a cross. See, it's already crosses here, and then it's a lift off here. Okay, I'll zoom in quite big so that it's easier for you to see. Okay, here. Okay, I'll zoom in. Okay, here. Look at that. Here. Here, I bought it because it's here I bought it because it's a lift off from the two line, and then it cross over the two line, and then here is another lift off. So I'm going to sell it here. So I have to sell it here, even though I know if it's going to fluctuate, but we follow the rules. Okay, I have 1 minute left. Okay, so I have 1 minute left, so I don't want to gather all the time. So come on, guys, if you like my teaching, do follow my channel, okay, my FB channel. Okay, I'll post all the related trades that I do. Okay, I'll post it there. You, if you want to follow, you can follow. If you do not want, or you can just do for reference, I am fine with it. Okay, so if you like it, please follow. Oh, sorry, I haven't. Okay, please follow my my Facebook page and the Telegram. Okay, the QR code is there, so you can always screenshot and then may join my Facebook as well. Okay, I'll post all related thing there, and then I hope you learn something today. Okay, I'm sorry if Ivana, I took your time, so I'm really a sincere apology. Okay, so I'll teach you something else like RSI. So somebody asked about RSI just now. So I have a lot of signals and a lot of things. Is for long-term trade, is a short-term trade, and also a mid-term trade. Okay, so I'll teach you all those in the views to come. So make sure to subscribe all the lives that I post out so that you can view it on Hobby, the first hand information. Okay, so if you watch it on FB, it will be a replay or even a late one. So make sure you join me live so that I can answer all your question live. Okay, I think it's the end of my lifetime right now. I sincerely wish you wealth, of course, money, prosper, and health. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.